my name is Matishri. Today I'm going to show you a science experiment about things that float and things that sink. So I have 4 things here: a smiley ball, a paper boat, a crayon, and a metal spoon. So first I'm going to put my paper boat in the water and see if it sinks or floats. So it floats. Second, a smiley ball. It floats too. A metal spoon. It sinks. A crayon. It sinks too. So the things that have lower density than the water float. The things that have higher density than the water sink.